Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to check your Leica mobile data balance. First, open any browser and search for Leica mobile login. Make sure you choose the correct website for your country, like Leica Mobile UK or Leica Mobile US. Log in using your phone number, then tap View Balance. Your data balance and plan details will appear on your dashboard. You can also check your balance using a USSD code. Just open your dial pad and dial *611#. Then press call to see your data balance on screen. Another quick way is by sending a text. Just text BAL to 3535 and Leica Mobile will send your current balance back to you. And if you prefer, you can call Leica Mobile customer service and they'll tell you your remaining data. And that's it. That's how to check your Leica mobile data balance. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.